you ever wondered how balancing chemical equation is related to and help in the production of goods and ensuring their quality?
Hi, I'm Casey, and today, let's talk about what balancing equation is and how to balance a chemical equation.
What is balancing equation?
A balance equation is an equation for a chemical reaction in which the number of atoms for each element in the reaction and the total charge are the same for both the reactants and the products.
Here's the example of chemical equation.
Let's define the parts of chemical equation.
First is the coefficient, a whole number placed in front of a chemical formula to ensure that the number of atoms of each element is the same on both the reactant and product sides of a balanced chemical equation.
The second one is the subscript, a small number written at the bottom right of an element symbol in a chemical formula indicating the number of atoms of that element in a molecule or compound.
The third one is the reactants, the initial substances that undergo a chemical change.
The fourth one is the product, or the new substances that are formed as a result of a chemical reaction.
The last one is physical state. This indicates the state of matter of each substance in the reaction. Common abbreviations are S for solid, L for liquid, and G for gas.
We have here our unbalanced equation. For the reactants, we have the Fe, Ci with a subscript of 3 plus Na, O, and H. And for the products, we have the Fe parenthesis OH with a subscript of 3 plus NaCl. The first thing we need to do is write the unbalanced chemical equation, which is next, identify the atoms of each element. So, for the reactants, we have Fe, which is the iron, which is the value is 1, chlorine is 3, sodium is 1, oxygen and hydrogen is 1. And for the products, we have the Fe or iron is 1, chlorine is 1, Na or sodium is 1, and oxygen and hydrogen is 3. After we identify the atoms of each element, let's adjust using coefficient until the number of atoms for each element is equal on both sides of the equation. As we can see, our chlorine, oxygen, and hydrogen are imbalance.
To balance the Cl, place a coefficient of 3 in front of Na on the product side. After putting coefficient outside of Na on the product side, the Na is also affected.
Now, to balance Na, place a coefficient of 3 in front of Na on the reactant side.